A linguist travels to remote communities to stitch together a long-vanished tongue from fragmentary songs and whispered phrases. In tiny villages, they listen for echoes of pronunciation, reconstructing sounds from child chants and elder tales learned by memory and pattern. The journey is grueling. Limited recordings test theories and political tensions threaten fieldwork, yet rigorous cross-checking and community collaboration keep the work alive. The revival shines as locals hear their grandparents, words return and share it with younger generations, fueling pride and curiosity. Persistence and passion illuminate a path where patience fuels cultural memory, transforming loss into living voice.